Hi everyone, it's Andy from Nitrous Competitions here. We've got this amazing Golf R competition ending on the 12th of April. It's an instant win competition, as with always, a £10,000 end prize.
Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger, I'm a threat. I'm a game with your life, cause you know that it's a bet.
Oh wow, look at that. You can drop the rear and you can drop the front both independently. I could actually play with that all day long, Conrad. Look at that, that's brilliant. I mean, it looks like something out of Starship Enterprise, it really does. This one's a stage 2, pulling 410 brake horsepower.
You can never get my shine, I'ma keep on grinding till I reach the top. When it's just in my jeans and I ain't looking back, cause I'm feeling like Chris Cross. They can never slow me down, but they need to hate me, now I'm feeling like Chris. Rock with the team, cause you know that we winning, we with it, we going, we flowing again. I might just go by a Benz, I might just blow my advance, whoa. I did it all for the feeling, alive but I'm making a killing. I'm gonna break every ceiling, cause I need a million, but
German reliability, obviously, as well, and they hold the value.
once I do it big, what's to follow, it's a check. I need 100 bags, nothing more, nothing less. And the ops feel away, cause I'm next, I'm a threat. Oh yeah.
I've picked the stage 2 one, purely because it's got 410 horsepower. I can't drive it too quick, because the camera falls off, but I hope you can hear that. They are possible future classics, these are. I think they will become collectible.